Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're going to review this WarmBond outdoor stove. It is a wood fire stove, and we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing first, and then we're going to review the product and see how it cooks up. So WarmBond sent me this for free, which I appreciate, and they also sent me the grill pack. In this grill pack, we're going to open that up first. Let's open that up, and there we go. You can see it comes with WarmBond. Let's open this up. Look at that. This is pretty nice. It has our utensils, everything we need. This is the lid that will go on top. I'll have to put the top on. It doesn't come pre-assembled there, but I imagine here's a thermometer, and then this is probably the hardware for that. And then here is the glove. This is a nice leather glove that actually says WarmBond on it. All right, so now we are going to open up this box. I do like these straps. It does make it easier to carry, especially into the house. All right, so what we're gonna do is just open this up. Storage carrying case. Top part, the face, fire starter rings, which definitely are going to come in handy. And this right here is the mobile pack. And this is just a bunch of wheels and the hardware we need to install that. I am going to use the mobile pack. If you don't want to use the mobility part, you can use these as the legs. And it comes with a cover that will go right over top of it to protect it from the weather. And it has a poker in there, which will help us with the fire. And this is the actual grill part, I believe. Yeah, so right here you can see the grill. And this is the rest of it, if I can open it. There we go. There you go, more. There we go. And let's put this together and try it out. Now what I'm gonna do is take one of the fire starter rings that came with this, and I'm just gonna place this right in the center. You'll see right where it goes, right in the middle there where the ring spot is. I am going to add some easy to catch fire, dry little sticks and twigs. And we're going to give it a light, and I'm just going to use regular matches, nothing special. The good thing about having a deep well is this should not just blow out by the wind. And right there, get that started. You can see it doesn't take long. This is only less than a minute, and it's already up to about that much heat and that much fire. Now that the fire is going nicely, I'm going to put on my top. I am going to wear the glove just for a little protection. There we go. There we go. So at this point, I'm going to place my thermometer. There's a hole for it right in the back. I'm just going to place it right there. And if we were cooking something that we really want it to be at a perfect temperature, we can check that. I'm just gonna cook up some hot dogs, so it's not really that important. Now we're gonna put on our grill top, and I just have 2 hot dogs. We're just gonna set those on there, put on our lid, and it should only take a couple minutes. And I'm just gonna roll this to the other side a little bit so that everything gets cooked. Let's flip flop these 2. There we go, perfect. And last one. All right, now these look amazing. We are going to fix these up with some ketchup, mustard, and maybe some onions and eat them. I'd like to thank WarmBond for sending me this grill, and the travel attachment is pretty cool. Just so you know, you can't purchase this right now. WarmBond is in the Kickstarter phase, and if you'd like to help out with that, I'm going to put all the information down below in the description. So go check that out and tell me what you think about the WarmBond grill.